Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both ends. Choose the host machine that will be accessed and the client device you'll use. Sign up for Splashtop account, verify your email, and enable 2FA to protect access. Install the Splashtop streamer on the host. Install the Splashtop business or personal app on your client. Once done, log into both with the same account and make sure the host appears online before moving to configuration. This avoids wasted steps later. You now configure the host for reliable remote connections. Open the streamer, set a strong access code, and enable security features like device authentication. Configure firewall rules or add Splashtop to allowed apps to prevent blocked connections. On routers, enable UPnP or configure port forwarding if your network requires it. Adjust power settings so the host won't sleep. Alternatively, enable Wake on LAN and test waking the machine. These steps ensure you can connect consistently and securely. You finish by running full tests from the client, connect, check audio, transfer a file, and adjust screen resolution. If something goes wrong, restart the streamer, confirm the host shows online, and re-enter credentials. Also verify upload/download speeds and router status. Make sure both apps are updated and document access codes in a secure note. One quick troubleshooting tip. If sessions drop, enable the streamer log, collect timestamps, and restart both devices before escalating to Splashtop support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.